Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. But when Don plays tennis, 65% of his first serve go into the correct area. So I'll be writing C. I'll be writing here C dash. 65% would be written here as 0.65. You know that the sum of these probabilities should always be 1. Sure. So I'll be writing here 0.35. Okay. If the first serve goes into the correct area, his chance of winning the point is 90%. Okay. So it means okay, here winning you will have 0.90 here. Okay. So losing the point would be clearly 0.10. Okay. It says if his first serve does not go into the correct area, Mr. Don is allowed a second serve. And of these, 80% go into the correct area. Okay, Don Uncle Ko, we gave a second chance. And now the 80% of the serves, they are going into the correct area. So this is 0.80. And obviously, this will be 0.20. Okay. Then it says, if the second serve goes into the correct area, his chance of winning the point is 60%. So here is this winning is 0.60 and losing is obviously, remember the sum on these branches should be 1. So it's just giving you one probability. The second you have to get yourself by subtracting it from 1, okay? At the end it says if neither serve goes into the correct area, Don loses the point. So that means this is quite sure that he'll be losing the point here. There's just one option here, losing. So you will be writing 1 here. Got it, bacho? Any question regarding this tree diagram?
No, sir.
Okay. So was this really difficult? What was that you people thinking that, oh, this is very difficult. Oh, we can't draw it. What was that?
Sir, थोड़ी सी confusion थी about the winning and losing वाला part, लेकिन वो फिर जब बना के देखा तो हो
Yeah.
गया सही.
So you see that he was only giving you the probability of winning thing. So you have to yourself assume that that the losing thing would be 1 minus. Like you see, in the very first line it says 65% of his first serves go into the correct area. So we have written this 0.65 here, okay? But this one you have to yourself find out by this is 1 minus 0.65. So that is 0.35. And please remember, this probability is mostly given as a percentage. So 65% of going to the correct area. So probability is going to be 0.65. Okay. Now in the second part, it says, second part, it says, find the probability that Don loses the point. Okay. Now, what are the cases where he's losing? So this is going to be CL, or it is going to be C dash CL, or this is C dash and then lose. Okay. So this probability is going to be, the answer is going to be 0.65 times 0.1, then plus we have 0.35 times 0.8 times 0.4, and then plus you have 0.35 times 0.2 times 1. So this is the answer to your first part. Okay, please tell me what is this value. Calculate this.
0.247.
0.247. Okay, now we move on to the third part. It says find the conditional probability that Don's first serve went into the correct area given that he loses the point. So first of all, we must know how to write it down. So he's asking us, the condition is that he is losing the point, okay? So the first serve goes into the correct area. So I'm just going to write here C1 here, just to show that, like, the, like if this is the C1, this is the C2 over here, okay? So that would be, the answer would be, if we apply the formula, keeping it really simple. So this would be probability of the C1 and losing over probability of losing. So that was your probability of losing that you've already calculated in the second part. Okay. So this will be 0.65 times 0.10 over this 0.247. So this is, please tell me what is the answer of this?
0.263.
0.263. So that is how you solve this question, बच्चों. ठीक है, you got it? Hmm? Okay.